In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Substack account. Whether you've decided to take a break from writing or simply wish to move on from this platform, I'll guide you step by step through the process to make it as smooth and straightforward as possible. First, start by logging into your Substack account and heading over to your Substack dashboard. This is your main hub where you manage all the content you've created and the settings for your publications. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the upper section of the page for the Settings tab. Clicking on Settings will open up a menu that allows you to adjust various preferences related to your account and publications. After entering the Settings menu, it's time to scroll down. Keep going until you reach the section ominously labelled Danger Zone at the bottom of the page. It's named this way because that's where you manage the more drastic changes to your account, including actions that you can't easily reverse. In the Danger Zone, you'll notice an option that reads Delete Publication. Clicking on this option is a significant step, as it initiates the process of removing your Substack publication permanently. But before that happens, Substack has a precautionary measure in place to ensure that this action isn't taken lightly or accidentally. You'll be prompted to type in your publication's subdomain. This step serves as a security measure to confirm that you indeed wish to delete your publication. It's important to enter the subdomain exactly as it appears without any mistakes to proceed. Finally, once you have entered your publication's subdomain correctly, go ahead and click OK. This final confirmation will delete your publication from Substack. Remember, this action is irreversible, so make sure you've weighed your decision carefully. If you're sure of your decision, this will completely remove your account along with all the content you've published through this platform. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the steps to delete your Substack account. It's always a good idea to back up any content you might want to keep before taking these steps. We hope this guide was straightforward and helpful. Feel free to reach out with any additional questions or if you need further assistance. Thank you for watching and have a great day.